Hi guys, I'm from Multiplewarnas channel. So today I want to do something special for my face, a face mask. So this is a rose petal fresh homemade face mask. So let us see how to make it. So this is actually multani. Okay, I actually picked the sandal multani. So let me just quickly show you the box. So this is what I bought it. Multani Meaty Sandal Face Pack. So looking at the benefits, so this is actually a very good face pack. So you can actually use it individually as well. But today what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine it with my homegrown rose. So if you ask me what is the benefit of this face pack, so this face pack is actually very good for combination skin like mine, sometimes dry over the dry season and sometimes oily. Okay, I'm actually having combination skin type. So let me show you how to make it very simple. So you have to just use this one and then just pressly, gently to. So now so guys, I already mashed the rose petals. So you can see here, already mashed very well. So what I did, I actually added some plain water into my multani meaty mixture. So if you don't want to add this water, you can add rose water. So what type of rose water is either homemade or you can actually buy the outside already made rose water. Okay, so what you have to do, very easy. So the mashed rose petals. So this is actually organic rose. Okay, they're actually